Minneapolis Nature Preschool is really new. We decided that we'd like to have a winter camp. It was really our testing, like we could do this year-round.
And so I thought that'd be a good opportunity for him to get outside, learn to explore outside that wasn't in the summertime.
There are forest preschools all around the country that operate year-round and have children outside for their entire day, depending on if it's a part day or a full day.
I got the list, clothing list of things that they would have, and what was nice about it, there were some things on that list I didn't have, and it was great that I could depend on them to have that supply that for my son if I didn't have it.
So we make sure to have extra gloves and extra neck gaiters and extra snow pants and boots that are warm so that in case they needed something else, and a few pairs of wool socks.
There's no such thing as bad weather, it's just bad clothing. Get them outside, get some of that winter air.
The jobs that children had each day was gathering kindling and gathering wood for our fire, so that helped keep them warm. There's that saying that when you either gather wood or cut wood for a fire, you get warm twice, once when you gather it and once when you burn it.
And they did the campfire where they roasted apples and marshmallows. He did talk about that. My concern initially was like, are they going to make them stay outside the whole time in that weather? And no, they were pretty relaxed. If they wanted to go in, back into the building, there was someone there for them to take them in and out of the building.
So I think the children also learned that we were really listening to them and paying attention to their needs.
There's a good ratio of adults and parents even there to help out. So I would not hesitate to have my kid do this again. There's really nothing to worry about.
The families were unanimous in really loving the camp, and it was on days that they might not take their own children outside, so I think they really valued that. I think we were also able to quickly build trust that we were listening to children and that we were paying attention to their safety, so I think the families appreciated that they knew their children were going to be safe and comfortable while they were there.
He did not want to leave. I was surprised.